Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out these pack of 12 wooden pencil extenders. So these are for art pencils, and they come in these little packages here. There's 12 of these guys. And so if you are into sketching with pencils and stuff like that, or artwork, once you start using up the pencil to where it's pretty small, it's difficult to work with. So you're trying to draw and you've not a lot to hold on to. So this is a really clever idea here. There's a nice rounded wooden handle here, and it has this metal end here with just a little ring here. You can tighten up that just like that. So you slide your pencil into the end and push that up, and what you have is another whole pencil again. So you can just use that to hold your pencil, and it gives you a lot more control in drawing or writing or whatever. Because I'm sure, like, I think once people are using a pencil and it gets like this short, you pretty much just throw it away before, because like you can't really write accurately. So this is a really clever idea. It's super handy. Just slip them on there and tighten it down, and there you are. You're ready to write again. So this will, I mean, literally, you could pretty much use the entire pencil with this. It's like once you're down to almost basically just the end there, instead of wasting, you know, a good, probably, I don't know, you could probably bust out a lot of sketches just with this little tiny bit that's left. So pretty crazy idea here. I mean, something like simple, but it's a really good idea. So yeah, I've never actually even seen one of these before. I thought it was like for like a paintbrush or something. You could put some, put your own bristles in there and tighten that down. I think that would work as well, but definitely pretty cool for the pencils. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.